Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. If you notice light bluish smoke coming out of your tailpipe at startup, and eventually that light bluish smoke goes away after the engine has been running for a while, I'm going to tell you guys what the issue is. Most likely, you're going to have bad or cracked or worn or maybe even loose valve stem seal. And the valve stem seal is located right here on the cylinder head. Here is a better visual. So the valve stem seal is located down there, right in the center of the spring, right below the spring retainer, and right below the keeper. So it's going to be located down there again. The reason why you notice blue smoke coming out of your tailpipe at startup is because when you shut off your engine oil is going to sit on top of the top end of the cylinder head. And when the valve stem seal is cracked or it is loose or it is completely worn, that engine oil naturally is going to seep past the bad valve stem seal and is going to go straight into the combustion chamber. And when you start your engine, that engine oil that's already in your combustion chamber is going to burn, and this is going to cause blue smoke come out of the tailpipe. Before changing your valve stem seal, how can you be sure that the valve stem seal is bad? And I'm going to give you guys some examples. The first example is you're going to notice a cloud of blue smoke coming out of your tailpipe at startup. And when your engine keeps running, eventually that blue smoke is going to go away. Here is another example. Let's just say you went shopping for about 2 hours, and during those 2 hours, engine oil that's sitting on top of your cylinder head is going to seep past through the bad valve stem seal and go straight inside the combustion chamber. And when you're done shopping and you come right back, and when you start up your engine, you're going to notice a cloud of blue smoke coming out of your tailpipe. And as soon as you start to drive away, you're going to notice that cloud of blue smoke start to go away. If you notice your engine is always low on engine oil, that's because your engine is burning a lot of engine oil. Again, caused by bad valve stem seal that's entering the combustion chamber. And when engine oil keeps entering the combustion chamber, it can start to fall out the spark plugs, and this can cause poor combustion. So when you have poor combustion, you're going to notice poor gas mileage. And if the spark plugs become extremely fouled out, this can cause an engine misfire, and you're going to notice rough idle and the engine shaking. What caused valve stem seal to fail? And the number one reason is going to be caused by low engine oil and lack of lubrication. The next reason why your valve stem seal fell prematurely is going to be caused by overheating. If your engine overheated very badly, this can cause the valve stem seal to become brittle, and eventually it will crack. The next reason why you have bad valve stem seal, it is going to be caused by bad valve guide. If the valve guide is worn, it is going to cause the valve to rock back and forth slightly, and this can cause the valve stem seal to rapidly wear out. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.